everyone, I'm Guru Prasad from Department of CSE. And in our college, they conducted a 60 value course program, which was conducted by a team Parvate Pikes. It was well organized and well structured program. It was very informative and it so helped us to learn many problems like solving platforms like Code, HackerRank, and also we solved problems in Google Colab.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Netra from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I'm here to share my experience about the value-added course which was provided by our college. We practiced OOPs concept in Python. It was very helpful. We were able to apply logics in coding, and it gave us a strong foundation for OOPs concept in Python. We used platforms like Code, HackerRank, Google Colab, and GitHub. We were able to solve 60 plus problems in this short period of time. Special thanks to the mentors, Mr. Rajesh Kannan and Miss Jwalita, who they were from the company PPS Parvate Paise, and this program gave us more confident and improved our coding knowledge and skills. We hope we will get more opportunities and more programs from our college like this. Thank you.